Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Open settings and verify Chrome OS is up to date. Updates often include Bluetooth fixes. Once that's done, open Quick Settings and toggle Bluetooth on, making the accessory discoverable. If the toggle is missing or grayed out, restart the Chromebook now to reload drivers. Make sure airplane mode is off and the device you pair is within 310 meters with Bluetooth enabled. This prevents simple range or state issues. Next, focus on the core repair steps to re-establish a clean connection. First, remove old or conflicting pairings by forgetting the device in Bluetooth settings. Stale entries can block pairing. Then power cycle the adapter, reboot the Chromebook, or use crash commands if you're comfortable to reset the Bluetooth stack. Once ready, put the peripheral in pairing mode and select it in settings. Follow prompts and enter a PIN if requested. These steps clear conflicts and force a fresh handshake between devices. Finish by validating hardware and applying last resort fixes. Run the built-in diagnostics in settings help to test the Bluetooth radio and detect hardware faults. If diagnostics pass but problems persist, consider logging out and testing in guest mode to rule out profile issues. As a final step, only if nothing else works, back up your data and power wash the Chromebook to reset system state. If you still have trouble, check for interference from USB 3.0 or crowded 2.4 GHz signals as your key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.